This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to properly add Google AdSense to your WordPress website. So first make sure you have a WordPress site and then create a Google AdSense account. So here is the WordPress website. And then here I am setting up the Google AdSense. So to set up Google AdSense, search Google AdSense. And then click on the link to go to Google AdSense and click Get Started. After Get Started, you fill out the name of your WordPress website, fill out your email, and just keep going and filling out information. Eventually, you'll get to this step where it says connect your site to AdSense. It's an easy as copying and pasting. So what you do is you take this code, this JavaScript code that Google gives you, and you go over to your WordPress website. Navigate the dashboard, go to plugins, and make sure the insert headers and footers plugin is activated. To make sure you have this plugin. And if you don't, just go to add new plugin and search for insert headers and footers. So this is the plugin you want. Click install now, and after it's done installing, click activate. After activation, you could see that insert headers and footers should be bolded, and you can now hover over settings and navigate to insert headers and footer. So inside of here, in your headers, you want to delete whatever you have in there. Well, actually, you don't need to delete what you have in there, but make sure you paste the code that Google AdSense gave you in this text box. So I've pasted it, and now I click save. So now that it is saved, I can say to Google that I have pasted the code in my site and click done. Now, Google looks at the site and says that the code was found. So that's a success, and the account activation process can now begin. This usually takes less than a day, but in some cases can take a bit longer. We'll email you when everything's ready. So click got it. And after this, they have a check mark that says we're reviewing your site and it's going to take some time. So now all you have to do is wait up for the email. So in my case, I will check my email really quick to see if Google sent anything. So I am inside of my email, and over here it says Google AdSense. Welcome, let's get you up and running. So when you click on it, it says that it gives you some information about your website. Step 1, it says, is to connect your website. Is to copy the code into the head tags of the site, which I've done. Then it says complete activation. On your AdSense homepage, make sure you've submitted a valid payment address and verified your phone number. And it says get activated. Was this email helpful? So this is a survey. So now all I have to do, which I have not done yet, is to submit a valid payment address and phone number. So I believe that all you have to do now is to make sure you navigate to it won't let me click on the payments. So the solution now is just to wait until Google has been done setting up the process and just adding a payment address as well as phone number. And so that is how you properly add Google AdSense to your WordPress website.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.